Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we will be discussing some prepositions that shares the same meaning. So if they have the same meaning, then how would we know that where we should use which preposition? That is the question that we will be putting light on. Make sure to watch this video till the end. In my earlier videos, I have already explained the topic prepositions, what are they, how to use them, and we have also learned how to actually learn accusative prepositions, dative prepositions, and Wechsel prepositions with a trick. We already saw that each and every preposition has more than one meaning, and that's true. And now there are also some prepositions that are having same meaning. For example, by and mit. Now the biggest question is where to use mit for with and where to use by for with. Let's discuss that. When we talk in context of living, that I'm living with someone, I'm living with my parents, I'm living with my sister, I'm living with my friend. When we talk in the context of living, basically then mit and by are used and with the meaning with. So, mit shows independency, while by shows dependency. When you talk about like I am living with my parents, which shows that yes, you are dependent on someone while you are living with them. It could be your parents, it could be your grandparents, it could be your guardian. So while you're living with someone to whom you're dependent, then you will use by in that case. For example, ich wohne bei meinen Eltern. On the other hand, when we are living with someone to whom we are not dependent, perhaps we are sharing an apartment, we are living in a hostel or so, then in that case, to whom you are not dependent, you will be using mit in that case. For example, ich wohne mit meinem Freund. The other such pair of preposition is zu and nach. The common meaning of both of them is to or towards. For example, if I say, I am going to home, I'm going to Berlin, I'm going to Germany, I'm going to library, I'm going to school. So all of the sentences that I just said has to in it when I speak in English. But when I speak the same sentences in German, I will be using in some of the sentences zu and in some of the sentences I will be using nach. How to differentiate that? Zu is used basically for shorter distances. If I have to travel a shorter distance, for example, if I have to travel from my home to my school, that is a shorter distance, then I will be using zu. When I will be basically covering a longer distance, then I will be using nach. Also, with all proper nouns, nach is used. Proper nouns like when you are saying the name of a city or a name of a state or a name of a country, Berlin, Magdeburg, Delhi, India, Germany, I'm traveling to somewhere like this. So you will be using nach in that case, not zu. The other one, von and aus. The similar meaning is from. Now, aus becomes from only and only when it is used along with common. For example, ich komme aus Indien. Now, I come from India. So, only and only when aus will be used along with common, only in that case it will become from. Otherwise not. On the other hand, in most of the cases, von is of the meaning from. For example, ich habe einen Brief von Maria bekommen. I have got a letter from Maria. The last pair of preposition of this category, gegen and gegenüber. The same meaning that it share is opposite. Gegen also means opposite and gegenüber also means opposite. But what is the difference? The main difference in both of them is of case, first of all. Gegen is accusative, while gegenüber is dative. While we talk about meanings, so gegen is of the meaning opposite when we are talking about two teams. that Sri Lanka is playing opposite India. So in that context, it would be gegen and not gegenüber. When we talk about a location, that my school is opposite the bank, in that case, it would be gegenüber. So gegen is used in the context of teams, that this team is playing opposite this team, and gegenüber is in context of location, that this place is opposite this place. That's all. That are most of the questions that German learners have. Feel free to comment down below and ask questions if you have any, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.